Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman and today I'm joined by James Gerrish from Market Matters and Shane Fitzgerald from Monash, and we're talking about the Waaax stocks, Australia's equivalent of the FANGs. And if you're in Waaax last year, portfolio 90%, but since June 30, they're actually down as a group. Interesting times. Shane, Wisetech, Logistics Global, terrific business, subject of a short report recently. Buy, hold or sell?
We're going to sell on that one. While we've seen what the short seller report is, and they make some valid points. We think they're overplaying it a bit. That said, this company's done a lot of acquisitions, and we're not convinced they've integrated them all that well. And it's a bit hard to get a handle on what the organic growth is for us, given the valuations to sell.
It was a wise play last year, James, but this year not so good. Buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, it's a sell for us. They've been priced for perfection. They haven't been priced for question marks over their accounting. Their numbers, revenue growth is strong, but that organic revenue line is what's the question mark for us. So it's a sell, Matt.
Okay, who would have thought linguistics is sexy? Appen, buy, hold or sell?
It's a hold for us. I still think the valuation at these current levels is still rich. It's come back from recent highs, but it's a hold for us at best.
It's been the big tumbler since June 30 or around then.
Yeah,
buy, hold or sell, Shane?
It's a sell for us as well, and mainly because it's so opaque business. When you want to back one of these Waaax stocks, you want to be really confident you can predict or have a stab at what the outlook's going to look for this. And Appen is just very, very hard to get a handle on what actually it's going to be.
Yeah.
You know, how it's going to keep on going on the panels. Is this market share going to go up or down? Who knows, right? So given that, it's very hard to forecast this company, it's just too rich for us.
Okay, and the bellwether for this end of the market, buy now, pay later, Afterpay, buy, hold or sell?
That's a buy for us, particularly given the pullback we've had. With Afterpay, you've got all sorts of metrics which you can use to forecast what you think the earnings are going to be in this company. And even moderate success in the US, there's a lot of value to be made in this company.
Who would have thought such a simple concept would go global? Buy, hold or sell, Afterpay?
They're often the best. I've got a hold on the stock at the moment. Hold at best for me at the moment. $26, I think you'll be able to get it closer to 20. Obviously a phenomenal business. Growth in the US is going to be the main driver here, but I think 2020 is going to be a year of increasing regulation and increasing competition in that space. So it's a hold.
Going from something we all know about to something we know little about, circuit boards, Altium, buy, hold or sell?
A great business, and the market's bid it up as a consequence. Above $4 billion market cap, 200 million of revenue, so it's a sell for mine. I think it's too rich.
Rich or poor? Buy, hold or sell?
Oh, we're going to put a buy on that one. Phenomenal management team, really great product, really strong market share and new seats and new licenses being issued. And with the momentums in the business now, it's pretty clear they're going to hit their medium-term 2020 and 2025 guidance. Literally this month, they've launched Altium 365. And if that product really gets hold and they can close that loop between the design, the parts and the assembly in the electronic space, watch out. This could be a very interesting company.
Okay, let's go to the quality end. Accounting software, Xero, out of New Zealand, but once again, taking on the world. Buy, hold or sell?
That's a hold for us. The valuation is very full on that. And, the US, it's growing, but it's not growing at sort of the pace I think the market was anticipating it could grow at. They've had some change in management there to try to, get it going again. So I want to see how that plays out. Okay,
Xero, it's accepted generally, very good product, accepted in the UK, trying to get to the US, buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, it's a hold for me. The next catalyst is going to be the 7th of November, first half result. US, UK is the drivers for growth in this business. So, they're dominant in Australia, they're dominant in New Zealand. It's those areas that are going to grow that business going forward. So, at that result, they need to be doing subscriber growth above 25% to maintain its current valuation.
So, Waaax were expensive, they're a little bit cheaper. Who knows, they might get really cheap.